Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject maths, chapter 6. Name of the chapter is time and this is a summary lecture. So today's subtopics are first of all, we will do introduction to time, recapitulation. This is recapitulation not starting. हम फिर से recall करेंगे. Okay? And after that, we will study about 24-hour clock time. Along this 24-hour clock time, we will do comparison also. Means we will find out the time in 24-hour clock and also what is the time in 12-hour clock. And with this, we will do operations involving 4 operations. Involving time, and practice sums. Right? So these are our subtopics. One more subtopic is there which we have done after introduction in our previous lectures, that is finding number of days from one date. Number of days from one date to another. Yes. If I have left the home on 25th January and I reached back on 7th July, then how many days I was away from home? So these are finding the number of days from one date to another. So let's start. First of all, introduction to time. What is time? Time is defined as the duration in which all the things happen. वो ड्यूरेशन जिसमें सब कुछ सारी थिंग्स सब चीजें होती हैं. इट इज ऑन गोइंग एंड कॉन्टिन्यूस सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स दैट अकर फ्रॉम पास्ट थ्रू प्रेजेंट टू द फ्यूचर. व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस? फ्रॉम पास्ट टू प्रेजेंट and the future. Okay? तो टाइम का हम पता कैसे लगाते हैं? What is a time now? We use clock for that. Now we generally see 12-hour clock. 12. And these clocks have hour hand and minute hand, and some clocks show second hand also. After 12 there is 1. We will write down 12 here so that you will not get confused, as it was explained previously. In the same way I am going to tell you 5, then here it will be 6 in the center. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. 12-hour clock time. This is the face of the clock. if it is asked to write the time, draw the hands of the clock, this you know very well how to do. If any clock is made without the hands like this, and it is asked to draw the hands of the clock showing the time 7:30. Now see 7:30, 7 hours. So our hand will be here and 30 minute hand will be here. Got it? In this way you can draw the hands of the clock. And if it is 24-hour clock, it is 24-hour clock, then what will happen? ये 24-hour clock कहाँ यूज होती है? रेलवेज, आर्म्ड फोर्स यूज एट, एयरलाइंस यूज एट. Okay. In this 24-hour clock time, we always write down the time in 4 numbers. Like if the time is here, like if the time is 1 a.m. So it will be written as 100 hours. How it will be written, I will tell you. See, when we are talking about 24-hour clock time, time is 100 hours, 200 hours, 0100 hours. It is 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 200 hours, 300 hours, 400 hours. Then at 12 noon, it will be 1200 hours. Here it will be 1200 hours. After that, 1 p.m. when it is in 12-hour clock, it will become 1300 hours, 1400 hours, 1500 hours, 1600 hours in this. And here it will again, when it is 12 midnight, means new day has started, 0000 hours. Then 12 noon, 1200 hours. One round is completed by the hands, and then again 12 midnight. It is 2400 hours. So we can say that 000 hours or 2400 hours is 12 midnight or 12 a.m. Got it? Now I will take practice questions based on this 24-hour clock time and finding the number of days from one date to another. First question I will take. First of all, you know this ordinary year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. Question is, find the number of days from 20th April to 20th May in an ordinary year. So you know the method, how we have done previously. We have written months and then days. Which month is there first? April. From 20th April to 30th April, 11 days. And May, till 20th May we are calculating. So total days, 1st May to 20 days. So total days is equal to 31. So in this way we can calculate the number of days from one date to another date. Next question is change into 24-hour clock time. 24-hour clock time we have to change. The time is 12 noon or 12:40 p.m. 12 noon we have already done. 12:40 p.m. means 12 noon तक तो आपका 1200 hours है. You know that. After that 40 minutes more. So it will be 1240 hours. If it is 9:10 p.m. then 12 plus 9 21 and minutes कितनी है 10 hours. Got it? And if it is 12:43 a.m. now 12:43 a.m. ये नून का टाइम था, बट ये मिडनाइट के बाद 43 मिनट्स ही पास हुए ओनली. So 0043 hours. Got it? Is that clear to you? Yes? Okay. Now next is change into 12-hour clock time. hours. इसको 12-hour clock time में change करना है. If we are subtracting 12 hours from 18, we will get the time in PM. Got it? So 18 minus 12, 6:30 PM. 1200 hours के बाद टाइम पास हो गया ना. So 12 noon दोपहर के बाद का टाइम शुरू हो चुका है. Next is 0100 hours. Now see what is the time. 100 hours. 100 hours is 1 a.m. only. ठीक है ना. 0000 hours के बाद एक ही घंटा पास हुआ. So 1 a.m. In this way you can do conversions. Now we will do questions of 4 basic operations. First is add. It is the question given in your worksheet. 2 years, 7 months plus 3 years, 5 months. It is your worksheet question. Question 5, B part. Fifth question, B part. So write down years and months. 2 years, 7 months, 3 years, 5 months. Add this. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 plus 3, 5. 12 months will become 1 year. So here it will become 0. We can write down 12 plus 0. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is our answer? 6 years. Got it? Next question also I am taking from your worksheet. Question number 6. Find the difference. Hours, minutes and seconds are given. 8 hours, 50 minutes, 35 seconds minus 6 hours, 35 minutes, 50 seconds. Now see, we have to do subtraction. Now look here, is the subtraction possible? 35 minus 50? No. So it will take borrow. 49 minutes were left. 1 minute has shifted here. So 60 seconds are shifted. 35 were already with us. So total 95 seconds. Now subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. So what we are getting? 2 hours, 14 minutes, 45 seconds. 45 seconds is our answer. If subtraction is not possible, don't try to make it 135. When you are taking 1 minute here, then 60 seconds are shifted. This is the change in the chapter time. Normal subtraction नहीं है, conversion है. Next is your worksheet question number 7. I am taking multiply 6 hours 45 minutes by 7. So write down hours, minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. 7 6 are 42. 42 hours 315 minutes. तो ये मिनट्स आर में चेंज हो सकते हैं. 60 minutes will make 1 hour. So divide 315 with 60. 6 5s are 30. 60 5s are 300. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. So what is this? 5 hours and 15 minutes. So we will break it. It will become, or you will write down here only. 42 hours 315 minutes is equal to 42 hours plus 5 hours plus 15 minutes. ओके यहाँ पर भी आप शो कर सकते हो सेपरेटली आंसर. 42 plus 5 47 hours and 15 minutes. ये एडिशन में है बट आपको मालूम है यहाँ मिनट का और कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है. सो इट विल बी रिटन डायरेक्टली 47 hours 15 minutes. इन दिस वे यू कैन डू कन्वर्जन. डोंट लीव हियर. यहाँ पर नहीं छोड़ना है. अगर ये 60 से लेस है then it is okay. Otherwise, if it is more than 60, then definitely you will do conversions. Now I will take sum of division. Fourth equation, question number 8 of your worksheet. 25 weeks, 6 days, 6 hours divided by 6. Okay. Now see how to do. First of all, 25 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. 1 week is left. So 1 week, 7 days. 1 week, 6 days. Next is 6 days now we will add. Is equal to 7 plus 6. 13 days. This 4 is weeks. Now 13 will be divided by 6. 6 2s are division. आपको हर बार 6 से ही करना. 1 क्या था ये? 13 days थे तो डिवाइड किया. Now what is left? 1 day. 1 day is left. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And how many hours? We already have 6 hours. So 1 day, 6 hours is equal to 24 plus 6. It will be 30 hours. Now 30 will be divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. Now nothing is left. And this is our hours. So what is our answer? We have got 25 weeks, 6 days, 6 hours divided by 6 is equal to 4 weeks, 2 days and 5 hours. This is our answer. Right? In this way you have to do step by step. Wherever remainder is left, convert it. Remainder left, then here you have converted this week into days. Now these days will be converted into hours. Here no remainder is left. Got it? Now next practice question is, this is also from your worksheet, question number 3. Sanjana joined a company on 2nd March 2010 and left it on 12th December 2012. Find the duration of time she worked in the company. Find the duration of time she worked in the company. Now see what we have to do. संजना ने कंपनी को ज्वाइन किया 2 मार्च 2010 को और उसे छोड़ दिया 12 दिसंबर 2012 को। हमें निकालना है कि उसने कितने दिन काम किया उस कंपनी में। How we can calculate? First of all, see from 2nd March 2010, M will be capital, to 12th December 2012. First of all, see what is the duration here. 2nd March 2010 to 2nd March 2012. 2 years duration. Got it? 2010 से 2012 same date I have written. 2 साल complete. Now we have to calculate from 2nd March 2012 to 12 December. अगर यहाँ कहीं 2nd मार्च 2012 है, ध्यान से समझो, तो ये ड्यूरेशन 2 इयर्स है। अब ये ड्यूरेशन हमें और कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट? नाउ we will calculate from 3rd March 2012 to 31st March 2012. 3rd मार्च से 31st मार्च तक काउंट करिए 29 डेज। ठीक है, मार्च तक कैलकुलेट हो गया। नाउ मंथ्स यू विल कैलकुलेट अप्रैल टू नवंबर we will calculate complete months. How many? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 8 months. And now December. Days in December. और दिसंबर में कितने दिन काम किया? 12 दिसंबर, 12 डेज काम किया। On 12th she has left, तो 11 डेट तक काम किया, right? So we have to now tell how many days she has worked. So write down now. Sanjana worked in the company for And 29 plus 11, 40. Now see, 40 days. 30 days will make 1 month. So it will be 30 plus 10. 30 days will shift here. So it will become 2 years, 9 months, 10 days. This 30 is shifted to make the, you can write down here. 30 days is equal to 1 month. So 40 days is equal to 1 month and 10 days. One more method is there to solve this type of question. You have to write down the number of days from, first of all it was, you have calculated 2 years. 2 years कैलकुलेट करने के बाद जो आपकी डेट थी 2 मार्च तक हमने ले लिया था. 3 मार्च 2012 टू 11 दिसंबर 2012. ये फिर आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. डेज लेफ्ट इन मार्च, डेज इन अप्रैल, डेज इन मई, डेज इन जून, डेज इन जुलाई, डेज इन August, in this way, or you can do in the way in which I have explained you. Next question I am taking, question number 10 from your worksheet. Aman is 22 years old. Aman is 22 years, 3 months and 16 days old. ये अमन की एज बताइए. His father is 28 years, 9 months, 24 days older than him. What is the age of his father? Aman की एज दे रखी है 22 years, 3 months, 16 days, and his father is 28 years, 9 months and 24 days older than him. अमन से उसके पापा इतने बड़े हैं, तो हमें बताना है उसके फादर की एज क्या है. क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू ना. यू हैव टू डू एडिशन. सपोज करते हैं आपकी एज है, लाइक योर एज इज, आई एम टेकिंग अमन, इसकी एज है 10 years. उसके पापा उससे 25 years बड़े हैं, तो व्हाट इज द एज ऑफ फादर? डेफिनेटली ही इज ऑफ 35 years old. गॉट इट? सो वी विल डू एडिशन. First of all, we will do addition. Then statement we will write down at last. So write down years, months, and days. Question 10. 28 years, 9 months, 24 days. Aman is 22 years, 3 months and 16 days old. His father ages more by 28 years, 9 months and 24 days. So we have to calculate age of father. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 3, 12. 8 plus 2, 10. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now see, 40 days are there. 40 days, 30 days will make 1 month. days will left? 13 months, 50 years. 13 months, 12 months will make 1 year. 1 is left. 10, 1 and 50 plus 1, 51. So, age of Aman's father is equal to 51 years, 1 month and 10 days. Got it? In this way you will calculate. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do assignment 1 in maths practice notebook. Assignment will be uploaded on AdQuark website as well as on your WhatsApp groups. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 4. Take out your books where you have done this question. You have to check your answer, and if any answer is wrong, then you will do correction work. Question number 4 from your Let's Rewind exercise was given. Rewrite the following according to 24-hour clock time, 7:20 p.m. What is the time now? It's 1920 hours. Then next was your B part, 1 a.m. We have already discussed previously in previous lecture. 100 hours. 7:15 a.m. First 12 noon से लेस टाइम है, सो 1200 से कम रहेगा. क्लॉक को अपने माइंड में रखना है, 24 आवर क्लॉक. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन मेक इन ऑफ कॉलम. नेक्स्ट वाज 10:40 p.m. 10:40, 12 plus 10, 22, 22:40. So it will be 2240 hours. Next was 8 p.m. 1200 hours क्रॉस हो चुके हैं, 8 p.m. टाइम है तो. So 12 plus 8, 20 and minutes 00. So 2000 hours. 9:15 p.m. Here also 12 plus 9 because p.m. is there. 12 plus 9, 21 and minutes 15. So 2115 hours. If you have got correct answers, it's good. If no, you will erase and do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.